Stop scrolling if you're a recruiter, because what you're about to see can completely change the way your company hires talent forever. Hello, recruiters, HR leaders, talent acquisition teams. What if I told you the reason you're not finding the right candidates is not because talent is unavailable, but because traditional hiring is no longer visible to the right people? And what if your job description itself could become an AI-powered recruiter that speaks, promotes, screens, and finds the perfect candidate for you automatically? Sounds futuristic? Welcome to Craves. The future of intelligent hiring starts here. Let's be honest, most recruiters today are facing the same problems. Thousands of resumes, but very few relevant candidates. Job posts getting lost on crowded portals. Manual screening consuming hours. Bias during shortlisting. Candidates dropping off before assessments. And even after hiring, companies still worry about quality, verification, and retention. Meanwhile, candidates are also frustrated. They apply to hundreds of jobs, but rarely hear back. Good talent gets ignored simply because resumes don't match keywords. This is exactly why we created Craves. Not just another hiring portal, but an AI-powered recruitment ecosystem designed to connect the right talent with the right opportunity. Now here's where things become truly powerful. Imagine this. A recruiter uploads a job description into Craves. Within minutes, our AI system transforms that JD into a professional AI-generated recruitment video. Yes, a video. An AI avatar explains the role, responsibilities, salary highlights, required skills, and company expectations in an engaging, human-like format. Why does this matter? Because candidates today engage more with video content than plain text. Instead of scrolling past boring job descriptions, candidates stop, watch, understand, apply. And the best part? These AI-generated job videos can be shared across social platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp communities, and more. This dramatically increases visibility. So instead of recruiters searching endlessly for candidates, the right candidates start discovering your openings organically through their search behavior and social engagement. Now let's talk about the candidate journey. A candidate sees your AI job video online. Instead of confusion, they immediately understand the role clearly. With one click, they can register through the Craves app or web platform. Simple, fast, seamless. But here's the intelligent part. Craves doesn't just collect applications. Our AI analyzes candidate profiles deeply. Using advanced resume parsing technology, the system identifies skills, experience, domain relevance, certifications, project exposure, communication suitability, and then our AI matching engine compares candidate capabilities with your exact hiring requirements. Meaning, recruiters spend less time filtering irrelevant resumes and more time interacting with qualified talent. But we go even further. Craves includes AI-powered candidate screening and assessments. Instead of manual first-round filtering, our platform can conduct intelligent evaluations automatically. Technical assessments, skill-based tests, logical screening, role-specific analysis. This helps recruiters identify genuine talent faster and more accurately. And candidates also benefit because now their actual skills matter more than resume formatting. One of the most important features inside Craves is blind screening. In many hiring systems, unconscious bias affects opportunities, sometimes because of college names, location, gender, or background. But talent should never be limited by bias. Craves focuses on skills, capability, and role matching first, helping companies create fair, smarter, and diversity-focused hiring processes. Because the right talent can come from anywhere. And our support doesn't end after recruitment. Craves also helps organizations with background verification support, post-hiring assistance, candidate tracking, recruitment workflow support, so HR teams can focus more on building strong teams instead of handling repetitive operations manually. Today, Companies are not just hiring employees, they are building culture, building growth, building the future of their organization. And every wrong hire costs time, money, and momentum. That's why intelligent hiring matters. With Craves, recruitment becomes smarter, faster, more human, more accurate. So, recruiters, HR teams, staffing companies, if you want to modernize your hiring process using AI, if you want better candidate discovery, faster screening, smarter assessments, and quality talent acquisition, then it's time to experience Craves. Book a personalized demo today. See how AI-powered recruitment can transform your hiring process completely. Contact us on 767-199-7557, the numbers below. And let Craves help you find not just candidates, but the right people for the right future.